Alright, so today I want to talk about social media management with Buffer. So what exactly is Buffer? So Buffer is a web application for scheduling social media posts, right? So today I'll teach you how you can use Buffer to schedule your social media posts. So the first thing you need to do is open up a browser, just like I've done here, and then just type buffer.com and then hit enter. So on Buffer, you will need to sign up for an account. Okay, so I'll just click on get started now, and of course Buffer has both the free and the paid option. So I'll go with the free option just to show you or to illustrate exactly what I'm talking about. Now for my email, I'm simply just going to select drillabite@gmail.com, and then I'm going to include my password, right? So I'll just type password of my choice. Alright, so I have that password set up, must contain one uppercase, so I'll just add that. So I would simply click I'm not a robot and click on the sign up button. Now I'll give you some time to load, and of course I'm signed up to Buffer, right? So once you sign up, you're going to have this on your screen, and it's just saying to connect your first channel. Okay, so let's say Instagram, for instance, and what I'll simply do is click on Instagram. Okay, so once I click on Instagram, it's going to prompt me to sign in. Now because I'm already signed into Facebook, I just have continue as my very self, and I'll just select Instagram right there and click on next, and then what Facebook page. Okay, and of course I'm still going to select my Facebook page, Drillabite. I'll click on next. So this is just really setting up your account, and I'll click on done. So once I do that, you've now linked Buffer to Facebook, and I'll click OK. Okay, so Buffer allows you to connect up to 3 accounts. So once you've connected your account, you would have this kind of interface, okay, for posting. So how do you now start scheduling your post on Buffer? So the first thing you need to understand is over here you have Instagram, right? So here you have your queues, you have your campaigns. Okay, now if you look over here, you have today, and you see that I haven't scheduled anything for today. So let's say I want to schedule a post for Thursday. Okay, so on Thursday I'm just going to click schedule a post for 1:30, for instance, and click on that link. And then the next thing you want to do is select the file you want to schedule. So I'll just select the file, select my computer. So I've already designed some files right here. So let's say I want to schedule this post, for instance, on my Instagram, right? So once I do that, next thing I want to do is just type your text which you want to write. So I'll just type my text. So I'll say tag your friends, right? And then I'll use maybe some hashtag, or tag a friend, tag a friend. Okay, and then I'll use some hashtags. For example, this is about Python, programming. Okay, so you get the gist. I'm just going to add some hashtag to this. Okay, add one more hashtag, quiz. I hope that's correct. Okay, so once I'm good with these hashtags, the next thing you need to do is you can add your location. And you can add your first comment if you want, and then just click on schedule your post. So once you click schedule your post, it says great, the post has been scheduled. So you'd find out that on the said day I'm going to have my post scheduled, and you are going to see exactly that post on my Instagram account. So if I go down, you see that on Thursday I have scheduled this post on my Instagram account. Okay, so that's that about scheduling your post. Now another thing you can do is, how do you add more accounts on Buffer? So if you click on manage channels down here, right, you'd see that I have just one channel added to this account. I can click on connect a new channel and just click Facebook, right, and then Facebook page or Facebook group. So I'm simply going to select Facebook page and start connecting. Now I just need to continue as innocent because I have already logged into my Facebook. If you've not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in, and then you can click continue, and then it's going to show you the page that is associated with this Instagram account. And I'm just simply going to click on add to Buffer. Now Buffer allows you to add up to 3 accounts. Okay, so I'm simply going to click on one more channel, and I can either add Twitter or LinkedIn. I'm going to close this and try LinkedIn. So I have LinkedIn page, so start connecting, and of course it's asking me to enter my LinkedIn details. So I'm just going to enter my LinkedIn details, right, and my LinkedIn email, and I'm going to click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, it's going to of course ask me to allow access from Buffer, and I'll click on allow, and yep, I have my pages which I manage there, and I'll just click on add to Buffer. So once I do this, I've successfully added 3 pages which I can manage from Buffer. Now if I click on the Buffer tab here, so you can add 3 accounts on a free Buffer account. So you can just add 3 channels, right? So you see that I have the 3 channels right here. Okay, now let's say I want to schedule a post, or I want to post right now for today on these accounts. Okay, so what I can do is, of course, click on schedule a post, right? So once you click on schedule a post, okay, so one way is you can just click here. It says what would you like to share, so I can just click here and it's going to bring me to this place again. Okay, so I can drag and drop my image, right, or I can just select it from my computer like so, and I'll just select this. Let's say I want to post this right now. Okay, so I can select the image, and then I can turn this Instagram off and just post directly on my LinkedIn page, so you can see what I'm talking about. So I can select this image, and then I can write something. Okay, so I'll just do something that says tag a friend. Okay, so I can just say, what is the output of the code snippet, and just say tag a friend, and of course add 1 or 2 hashtag, or I'm just simply going to write some text in there. Alright, so once I'm good with this, I'll just simply do this. Okay, let's say I'm good with this. So over here you see I have add to queue, or I can easily click on post now, right? So if I click the arrow, I have share now, share next, or schedule post. So if I say share now, remember I selected just my LinkedIn page. I can click on share now and that will be shared to my LinkedIn page. Okay, if I want to share to the 3 channels which I've added, I'll just click here and then select the 3 channels like this, and whatever I post will be scheduled on the 3 channels. So let me do one more scheduling for 3 channels, and I'll just click my computer, and then let's say I want to share this on, so I've scheduled for Thursday. Let's say I want to share this on Friday. So I'm just going to ask a question: what is your most preferred programming language? And of course, tag a friend, right? Okay, so let's say I'm good with this. So customize, you can actually customize for each network, right? But once I'm good with this, I can you can always turn on and turn off a channel. Okay, so click on this arrow and you have exactly the same thing going on each network. And of course you can schedule post here, so I'll click on schedule post, and then on Friday I'm simply going to select 8, and you have to select the time. Now note, this is Europe, London. Okay, so you have to be aware of the time difference. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Friday by 3. Let's do 3 p.m. Okay, this, and just click schedule once you're done with that. So it's scheduling and I'm good with that. So this is everything you need to know about Buffer. Of course, if you have the paid version, you have some other free tool for social media management and all. And I'm not advocating for Buffer. I'm not paid for this. I'm just showing you one of the ways which I manage my social media handles and social media handles for clients. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.